Working with Alpha. Anywhere applications and encountered an ADB file. This is a database file from the Alpha Anywhere Rapid Application Development Platform. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to work with these files. For those complex O4C formats, there's always a plan B, a specialized file handling utility that feels like magic. I'll introduce it again later, after we attempt the common methods. O4C files are uncommon files known to be opened by Pixelplan Viewer. The public format description is limited, so the file should be treated as viewer-specific data. O4C files may depend on Pixelplan Viewer and possibly related project assets. Preserve the original file name and folder structure when testing the file. We suggest testing the O4C file first with the utility Pixelplan Viewer from Pixelplan. Full file extraction and decompression must be managed by a third-party utility. Windows does not parse structured data formats, so the original application is needed for full visibility. Your most critical first action is the file association test. Right-click the O4C file and choose Open With. If Pixelplan Viewer is on your machine, test it. If not, choose another program. We must find the right software. If your O4C file is not opening yet, that is normal. The easy solution is off the table. We must now isolate the O4C error using these three focused and necessary troubleshooting steps. First, use Pixelplan Viewer. Open the O4C file with Pixelplan Viewer if it is available. If the file does not load, check whether it needs companion files from the same project folder. Next, confirm file integrity. Compare the file size with the sender's copy and make sure it was not truncated during download or email transfer. Re-download before assuming the format is unsupported. Finally, export or screenshot. If Pixelplan Viewer opens the file, export or capture the information in a standard format for sharing with users who do not have the viewer. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. When your file is still locked, it means the file's header or structure is truly obscure. Don't waste time. FileMagick is built for this. It opens hundreds of formats and can be found at filemagick.com. If your issue is resolved, please comment "fixed" below. Subscribing is the best way to keep getting help.